If you're tired of waiting forever for your nails to dry, you've come to the right place. Quick Dry nail polish is a game changer, especially when you're pressed for time but still want that polished look. In today's video, we'll be reviewing the top 5 best quick dry nail polishes that promise to save you time without compromising on quality. From professional brands to budget-friendly options, let's dive in and help you choose the perfect polish for your next mani. Kicking off our list at number 1, OPI Rapid Dry. OPI is a well-known name in the nail care industry, and their OPI Rapid Dry is one of the best quick dry polishes you can find. This top coat is designed to seal in your color and accelerate the drying process without sacrificing shine or protection. It's ideal for those who are always on the go and want a smooth, long-lasting finish without having to wait for ages. Key features: OPI Rapid Dry is formulated with advanced drying agents that quickly harden your nail polish, allowing you to move on with your day faster. The clear top coat not only speeds up drying time, but also enhances the color and shine of your manicure. It's compatible with all OPI polishes and other brands, making it versatile for various nail colors and types. Benefits and usage: this product is perfect for those who love a quick yet glossy finish. The drying time is significantly reduced, with nails dry to the touch in minutes. Additionally, it provides an extra layer of protection to prevent chips and scratches, making it an excellent choice for busy individuals. It's also perfect for giving your nails a glossy, professional salon-like finish. Usability: OPI Rapid Dry is easy to apply with its smooth formula, ensuring an even layer with no streaks. The brush is designed to give you precise control, so even if you're in a rush, you can still achieve a clean and neat finish. It works well on both natural nails and acrylics, making it an all-around option for anyone who wants quick results. Durability: as a top coat, OPI Rapid Dry does an excellent job of extending the wear of your manicure. The polish holds up well against daily activities, resisting chips and dullness. It also maintains its high shine finish for days, making it one of the most reliable quick dry top coats available. Overall, it provides long-lasting protection and beautiful results. In the second spot, we have Essie Expressie. Essie is known for creating high-quality nail polishes, and their Expressie line is a standout for quick-dry formulas. Essie Expressie is designed for those who are always on the move but still want a salon-quality finish. With its fast-drying formula and vibrant range of shades, it's the perfect option for anyone looking to save time while getting a polished look. Key features: Essie Expressie offers a self-leaning brush that makes it easier to apply the polish, especially for those who are trying to speed up their manicure process. The formula dries quickly, allowing you to go from wet nails to fully dried in about a minute. It's also chip-resistant and offers a smooth, glossy finish that rivals traditional polish formulas. Benefits and usage: one of the key benefits of Essie Expressie is its speed. It's great for those moments when you need to quickly get your nails done but don't have time to wait for layers of polish to dry. This quick dry formula also resists smudging, making it perfect for those who tend to bump their nails while they're still drying. The wide range of colors also makes it easy to find the perfect shade for any occasion. Usability: the Essie Expressie brush is unique with its angled tip, making it easier to apply the polish without the need for multiple strokes. This feature helps you get an even and clean application, even if you're in a hurry. The polish glides on smoothly, and the formula self-levels, ensuring a flawless finish every time. Durability: Essie Expressie offers great durability, especially considering how quickly it dries. The chip-resistant formula holds up well for several days, and the glossy finish remains vibrant and smooth. Even with frequent handwashing or exposure to water, this polish keeps your nails looking freshly done. It's a reliable quick-dry polish that doesn't compromise on quality or longevity. Coming in at number 3 is the Revlon Quick Dry. Revlon Quick Dry is a budget-friendly quick-dry polish that's ideal for those looking to speed up their nail routine without spending too much. This fast-drying top coat promises to leave your nails perfectly polished and protected in a fraction of the time. If you want a reliable polish that works fast and is easily accessible, this could be your go-to option. Key features: Revlon Quick Dry has a lightweight formula that dries to the touch in just minutes, ensuring that you won't have to wait long for your nails to set. The polish offers a high shine finish and a smooth application, making it easy to achieve a flawless look in record time. It's compatible with most nail polishes, offering flexibility with different brands. Benefits and usage: the biggest benefit of Revlon Quick Dry is how fast it works. It's perfect for busy individuals who don't want to spend hours waiting for their nails to dry. Simply apply a layer of the top coat over your nail color, and it dries quickly to a smudge-proof, glossy finish. It's ideal for anyone who needs to get their nails done and move on with their day without worrying about smudges or chips. Usability: Revlon Quick Dry is user-friendly, even for beginners. The polish glides on smoothly without streaking, and its consistency makes it easy to apply in one coat. The fast-drying formula ensures that you don't have to sit around waiting for your nails to set, and it prevents accidental smudging. The top coat is also highly versatile and works well with a wide range of base polishes. Durability: despite being a quick-dry formula, Revlon Quick Dry offers long-lasting protection. The top coat extends the life of your manicure, keeping your nails looking fresh for days. It's also resistant to chips, smudges, and scratches, which makes it a great option for individuals with an active lifestyle. For a quick and dependable finish, Revlon Quick Dry gets the job done. Taking our fourth spot is Seche Vite Dry Fast. Seche Vite is one of the most well-known quick-dry top coats in the nail care industry. It's loved by both professionals and DIY nail enthusiasts for its exceptional drying speed and glossy finish. Seche Vite Dry Fast is formulated to provide salon-quality results quickly, offering a shiny, smudge-free manicure that's ready to go in no time. Key features: Seche Vite Dry Fast features a unique formula that uses high-quality ingredients to lock in color and provide a glass-like shine. The top coat dries to the touch within minutes and hardens completely within an hour. This top coat also has a thick consistency, which helps fill in ridges and imperfections, providing a smooth and even finish. Benefits and usage: one of the main benefits of Seche Vite Dry Fast is its incredibly fast drying time. After applying a coat of this top coat, your nails will feel dry to the touch in just a few minutes. It works well for individuals who want to apply multiple layers of polish but don't want to wait for each one to dry. The glossy finish and chip-resistant properties also ensure that your manicure stays intact for several days. Usability: the consistency of Seche Vite Dry Fast makes it easy to apply, even for those who aren't experienced with nail polish. The formula glides on smoothly without streaking, and it spreads evenly across the nail surface. Even if you make a mistake during application, it's easy to fix, as the top coat doesn't leave streaks or bubbles when corrected. Durability: Seche Vite Dry Fast is known for its long-lasting results. The thick formula not only dries quickly, but also creates a durable layer of protection for your nails. It resists chipping, smudging, and scratching, ensuring that your manicure lasts for days. Whether you're using it for everyday wear or special occasions, Seche Vite ensures your nails stay flawless. And finally, at number 5, we have China Glaze Fast Forward. China Glaze Fast Forward is a top-quality quick-dry top coat that helps you speed up your manicure without sacrificing the results. Known for its high-gloss finish and fast-drying formula, it's perfect for anyone looking to achieve a salon-quality look at home. China Glaze is renowned for its wide range of vibrant colors, and this quick-dry top coat is a great complement to any nail color you choose. Key features: the China Glaze Fast Forward top coat features a lightweight, non-yellowing formula that dries quickly and leaves nails with a smooth, glossy finish. The formula is designed to seal in color and prevent smudges while offering long-lasting wear. It's also free from harmful chemicals like formaldehyde, making it a safer option for regular use. Benefits and usage: China Glaze Fast Forward is perfect for anyone who needs their nails dry in a hurry. It provides an ultra-glossy finish that enhances the color of your nails, giving them a professional and polished look. The quick-drying formula is ideal for busy individuals who need to get their nails done and move on without waiting for hours for drying time. Usability: the easy-to-use brush makes application simple and quick, even for beginners. China Glaze Fast Forward spreads smoothly across the nail surface without streaking, and the formula dries quickly to the touch. It works well with a variety of nail polishes and provides an extra layer of protection to ensure that your manicure stays intact. Durability. With its chip-resistant and long-lasting formula, China Glaze Fast Forward ensures that your manicure lasts longer. The high shine finish remains intact for days, even with regular exposure to water or everyday wear. Whether you're looking for a quick fix or a lasting top coat, China Glaze Fast Forward is a reliable option that won't disappoint. And that wraps up our review of the best quick-dry nail polishes for this year. Whether you're looking for speed, shine, or durability, these products offer a solution to help you get flawless nails in no time. We hope this video helped you find the perfect polish to fit your needs. Remember, a great manicure doesn't have to take forever. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.